We have finally left Townsville and we're heading for Cairns, but on the way we're going to stop in and visit a few things, so we'll take you along. We're at Waterfalls. This is Australia's largest single drop waterfall, which is pretty cool. I think it's at 269 meters tall. It's pretty impressive. We've just stopped in at Cardwell, this little town, grabbed a coffee from the little coffee van and just doing a little walk along the foreshore here. I think this is our first day where the sun's out, no clouds, so that's lucky for us at the moment. We've had a bit of unlucky with the car, but at least the weather's been nice now. Alright, so we're in the Atherton Tableland and there is a waterfall drive that you can do. So there's 3 waterfalls on the loop, and the first one is Allinger or something like that, so let's go check it out. So loud, that's so cool. The next one on the list is Zilly Falls. This track to walk down right to the bottom is a bit steep and slippery compared to the other one. The other one was just at the car park really, so there's a couple of different tracks, so I really don't know how to get down. Everyone's got all their like runners and hiking gear on, and Nelson come in and shirt and shorts and our Birkenstocks on. And the last one on the list is Mila Falls, which is I think the most popular one of them all, so let's go check it out. There's heaps of water coming down from these waterfalls. We're like 20 meters away, you can still feel the spray on you and everything. today we're in Herberton. It's just 30 minutes outside of Atherton. They have like a little historic town here. It's pretty big and it's pretty well done. It's quite similar to Sovereign Hill, if you've ever been to Sovereign Hill. So it's a lot of history in this town, a lot of mining. So we're going to go check it out. That wraps up our visit to the Herberton Historic Village. They've brought in about 60 original buildings from Herberton, and it tells the story of their pioneering past. There are live blacksmith demos as well and other activities that you can take part during the entire day. Your pass gives you the luxury of 3 days to have a look around the entire village, and you'll definitely need at least the 2 or 3 days to get through the entire place. So if you're in the Atherton Tablelands area, it's definitely a must-stop spot. Thanks for watching this week's episode, and we'll catch you in Cairns for the next one. See ya!